Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm Roshan Ara from Dubai, and I talk about our myco-veggie, how to consume the myco-veggie. There is my Urdu videos also there, but my friend asked me, Roshan, completely explain us how to consume these products. Okay, then we want to take first yogurt. Any company you want to take yogurt, you take yogurt and put. I take first yogurt in my bowl also, and there is parsley. This is boiled chicken. This is parsley. This is cucumber, and this is salad leaves. This is carrot, and this big semolina, and this is all dry foods. I take almonds and pistachio, cashew, and so many things. You which one you like, you take that one also. And there is salt and pepper also here. And I have some chaat masala because I like chaat masala. Then I put chaat masala also inside. Then you take yogurt and nicely you do like this. This is, and after that you take all things. Yeah, I take this salad leaves. This is how much you want, okay, because it is my one time meal. This is carrot. You put carrot also, 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon, like this. I'm taking like this. And this is cucumber. You take 1.5 tablespoon is enough for one meal, okay. And this is semolina. This is semolina, okay. I boiled and take. First I boil this, and then I take this. And after that I take chicken. This is boiled chicken, okay, and shred it. You make nice meal, because this is, after that you don't want to take any food or anything. And this is dry fruits. I mix that one also. And after that this is parsley, okay. This is also you put inside this. And I take some salt. I take some salt, and this is pepper, and this chaat masala, okay. I like chaat masala, then I put chaat masala also. This. And after that we take our myco-veggie. So many people, they want they're more hunger, they take 1.5, but 1 scoop is enough for me. This is 1 scoop. I take myco-veggie, I put all over. I take some more, okay. This is all over. And after that, and there is 23 items are there, all spices, all type of mushroom, 5 type of mushroom, spirulina is also there, and moringa leaves also there, and all spices are there. It is good for your health, reduce your weight also, and it is enough for one meal, one time meal. Then I tell everybody to night meal, dinner you skip and you take this. This is good for dinner, your meal. Now is not dinner time, but I want to show, because my friends ask me, Roshan, tell us how to make this, okay. And because this is very thick, then you want to put some water also. You want to put some water, you put some water. Nicely mix. This is enough for one meal, okay, because all healthy things are inside. Yes. Nicely mixed like this, and after that you consume. After that you consume like this. This is good for reduce weight and detoxification. When you take this, now because after that, when you consume this, I'm not waiting, huh? I take another spoon also. After consume this full bowl, it is enough for one meal, one time meal. After that you want to drink 2-3 glass of water. Same time at least 2 glass of water. Very nice. It is yummy. Then I suggest everybody you take this myco-veggie And before that also, what you want to eat for reduce weight, because I have lots of my customers, they reduce weight in a month, 10 kg, 12 kg, 8 kg like this. And there is no weakness also, because it is healthy food, and this is herbal, everything is herbal, there is no side effect also. Because we are taking outside medicines or tablets, it is for reduce weight. When we reduce and after that you discontinue, then again your weight is gain. But after that your weight is not gain, this is reduced, because it is go and work on your cell. Okay, after that you want to drink more water, 2 3 glass of this big glasses of water. It is good for detoxification. When you take this food and you take drink the water, and morning you see your stomach is very much, you feel light also, and it's good also. Within a month you reduce your, inshallah you reduce your weight 10 to 12 kg. It is my I tell you. And in case you want to ask me anything about reduce weight, then you inbox me in my Facebook channel, Think P Pink. You go there and you message me, and anything you want to message me on Facebook or my personal channels also. There is my YouTube channel also, Roshan Ara's Therapy. You go there, there is also my so many testimonials are there. Thank you very much, and we talk again and other products with another products. Okay, bye bye, take care.